Oh no, I think I'm lost. Where is the museum? Excuse me, sir. Can you help me, please?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Where are you trying to go?
I'm looking for the City Art Museum. Is it near here?
Yes, the museum's about 10 minutes from here on foot.
Oh, that's great. Can you tell me how to get there?
Sure. First, walk straight down this street for 3 blocks.
Okay, straight for 3 blocks. Got it.
Then turn right at the traffic light. You'll see a big bank on the corner.
Turn right at the traffic light at the bank. Perfect.
After that, continue walking for 2 more blocks. Then turn left onto Museum Street. You can't miss it.
Wait, I'm sorry. Can you repeat that? Which street do I turn left on?
No problem. Turn left on Museum Street. It's the second left after the bank.
Museum Street. Second left. Okay, I understand now. Thank you. Is there any landmark I should look for?
Yes, you'll pass a large fountain in the park on your right. The museum is a big white building with columns in front.
A white building with columns. That sounds beautiful and easy to find.
It is. There's also a big sign that says City Art Museum at the entrance.
Perfect. Is it on the left side or the right side of the street?
It will be on your left side when you turn onto Museum Street.
Can I take a bus there instead of walking?
Yes, you can take bus number 42. The bus stop is right over there.
Oh, I see it. How much does the bus cost?
It's $2. You can pay with cash or a travel card.
I have cash. How many stops is it to the museum?
It's only 5 stops. The journey takes about 8 minutes.
That's quick. Which stop should I get off at?
Get off at Museum Plaza stop. It's right in front of the museum.
Museum Plaza stop. Let me write that down so I don't forget. Do you know what time the museum closes today?
I think it closes at 6 p.m., but you should check to be sure.
It's 2 p.m. now, so I have plenty of time. That's good.
Yes, you do. The museum is very popular, so it might be crowded.
That's okay. I don't mind crowds. Is there an entrance fee?
Yes, it's $15 for adults. Students get a discount.
I'm not a student, but $15 is reasonable. I have my credit card.
Good. They accept cards. You can also buy tickets online if you want.
Oh, that's convenient. Are there restaurants near the museum?
Yes, there are several cafes and restaurants on Museum Street.
Perfect. I can have lunch there after visiting the museum. So, let me make sure I understand. I go straight for 3 blocks, then I turn right at the traffic light where the bank is, walk 2 more blocks, then turn left on Museum Street, and the museum will be on my left. Is that correct?
Perfect. You've got it exactly right. You won't get lost.
Thank you so much for your help. You're very kind.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the museum and have a great day.
I will. Thank you again. Goodbye. I think this is the 3rd block, but I'm not completely sure. Excuse me, sorry to bother you. No problem. How can I help you? Is there a big bank at the next traffic light? Yes, Citibank is right there at the corner. You can't miss it. Great. I'm on the right path then. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Okay, here's the bank. Now I need to turn right and walk 2 blocks. Excuse me, sir. Can I ask you something quickly?
Yes, of course. What do you need to know?
I'm looking for Museum Street. Is it 2 blocks from here?
Yes, exactly. Walk 2 blocks that way, and you'll see Museum Street.
Perfect. And the City Art Museum is on that street, right?
That's correct. It's a big white building. You'll see it on your left.
Wonderful. Thank you for confirming. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Good luck and enjoy the museum.
Museum Street. I found it. And there's the fountain he mentioned. Now I just need to look for the white building with columns. Oh, wow, I can see it. That must be the museum. It's beautiful. I can't believe I made it. The directions were perfect.